Hello, Jim with Smoky Lake Maple Products here. I just want to show you the difference between two of our most common, most popular evaporator pan systems. Both on our high output evaporators. Both of them I'm showing you today happen to be on the silver plate evaporator, but all these pans are also available on our Corsair evaporator. First one being the same side reversing system. Most of the manufacturers have some form of a reversing system where you can reverse the flow in the front pan. I'll show you the way ours works. There is a cross tube on one side of the evaporator just for transferring sap. With this system, and the reason our system is superior to the rest is we have one draw-off port. No matter what flow direction, the syrup comes out of only one port. That's imperative, especially when you have an automatic draw-off system, to have only one port. Otherwise, you're taking your draw-off valve, your electronic valve, and moving it from one location to the other. Very inconvenient. To reverse the flow on this system, I'll show you how simple it is. In this position, in this valve position, these are your reversing valves. Those are the only two valves you have to touch to reverse the flow completely. And there's a diagram that shows how it works. The black marks, the black lines delineate the handle locations. So you see the handle locations match this schematic. So in this position, the sap enters this draw-off port here, this location, goes through the system, finished syrup is drawn off of this side. Okay, to reverse the flow, simply swing that handle there and that handle there to match this location here. To match that schematic. Now in this situation, the liquid will enter the port here, finished syrup coming off here. Always coming out of this location. Very crucial. The next option combines our same side reversing system with a very popular dual front pan system. A lot of producers prefer to have two syrup pans so that when one becomes too filthy with sugar sand, they can simply swap it out. And we have a spare pan for this unit. In most cases, a third pan would be included with the system. So there's the spare that you'd swap in. But it also has a reversing system, so you have endless options. You can choose to utilize reversing, flow reversal, and you can also choose to swap the pan in and out when things get too filthy. So it's completely up to the operator. Our reversing system on this unit here does allow you to isolate the pans so that you can take only one pan off if you choose to. Also a drain. Obviously you can see the syrup becomes trapped in this compartment here. So for obvious reasons we have a drain built in. Beautiful system, probably the superior in the entire industry. And this one happens to be sitting on a 2.5 by 8 silver plate that we have sitting in our showroom. Any questions, of course, always feel free to email me, jim@smokylakemaple.com, no E in Smoky, or call us anytime. Another system that's growing in popularity is our Concentric exhaust system. There should be another video on that, and there eventually will be, but that system allows the steam to exit the roof penetration around the smokestack. So it gives you zero clearance to combustibles. It allows you to have one roof penetration, which is beneficial for very many reasons. The evaporator we run in our own showroom here has the Concentric exhaust system built into it as well. Like I said, never hesitate to call or email us.